Hello YouTube. Realtek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to solve Bluetooth cannot connect on Windows. When you open your Bluetooth, it may show you the Bluetooth cannot connect. So if you are facing this problem, you are on the right place to solve your problem. And this problem would happen on Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating system. And this solution will work for all Windows operating system. So let's start from solution number one. So to fix this problem, the first solution that you will do is go here and click the search icon and type Windows Update. So here the Windows Update setting, just open the Windows Update setting and check for your Windows Update. In my case, you are up to date on 5 p.m. So it's already up to date, but in your case, check for updates and wait until the updating progress will be completed. And if there is any update, just install it and restart your computer. So after updating and restarting, if the Bluetooth problem is still continuing, then the second solution for this video will be go here on view optional updates, and you will find here driver updates. So click here the arrow and you will find plenty of driver here. So it's your choice to install all this driver, but you will find here a Bluetooth driver option, maybe Intel Corporation Bluetooth or other. So search for that specific Bluetooth option. In my case here, I don't have it because my Bluetooth is working correctly. So just search for Intel Corporation Bluetooth or any corporation's Bluetooth, and just when you find that specific Bluetooth option, just tick this one and go here on the bottom and you will find download and install. Select the download and install. Just wait patiently until the downloading and installing will be completed, then restart your computer. This also help you to solve the Bluetooth cannot connect on Windows problem. So these are the two solutions to fix your problem related with Bluetooth cannot connect on Windows. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Realtek out.